multiplier and also product. Dear students, you also learned about the multiplication of numbers with carry and also without carry, and also properties of the multiplication, and finally you learn the estimation product of the multiplication. Dear students, today class we discuss about the one of the easiest method of multiplication. Dear student, this easiest method of multiplication was discovered by one of the mathematician. His name was John Napier. Dear students, the multiplication of easiest method was discovered by the one of the mathematician. His name was John Napier. John Napier find out or discovered one of the easiest method of multiplication. Today class we discuss how is the method of John Napier multiplication. Dear students, in this class I already wrote one of the example, multiply 43 into 6. Dear student, first you find the product by the normal method. Then we discuss how the process or how the method of the John Napier. Okay, dear student, let's start the class. First I saw the multiplication. 43 into 6 is there. Which one is the multiplicand and which one is the multiplier? The 43 is the multiplicand and 6 was the multiplier. First you find out the product of these two numbers. Okay. First I find the product 43 into 6. Dear students, 43 is the multiplicand and 6 was the multiplier. First you start the multiplication from the unit place. Okay. Then you multiply the tens place. Okay. First you start the multiplication for unit place. Okay. 6 3s are 80. So you put the carry on tens place. 1 is the carry on the tens place. Okay. Then you multiply the tens place. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 carry. Finally you get 25. Yes. Which is the product? 258 was the product of these two numbers. This is the normal method of multiplication. Next we come to the method of John Napier method. How this process or how to multiply the numbers with John Napier method. Dear students, first you write the two boxes. Okay, first you write the two boxes. Because you write two boxes because the multiplicand having a two numbers or two digits. Okay, dear students, listen carefully. You write the two boxes because the multiplicand having a two digits. That's why you write the two boxes. Okay, then 6 is the multiplier. It is the single digit. So the row is also 1. One row is there and two columns or two boxes and one digit in the multiplier. That's why you write the one horizontal or row. Okay. Then you put on the lines. Okay. Like this. You put the lines on like this. Okay. Then you write the numbers. First you write the multiplicand 43. This is the two digit number. 43 is the multiplicand. You write the multiplicand above these two boxes. Okay. 43. 4 is in tens place and 3 is in the unit place. You write the two boxes because the two digits are there in the multiplicand. That's why you write the two boxes and you write 3 on the above box and another 4 is on the boxes. You write the multiplicand above the boxes. Okay. You write multiplier on the right side. You write the multiplier on the right side of the box. Okay. This is the method of writing the numbers on this multiplier. There are 2 digits in the multiplicand. That's why you write 2 boxes. Then you put the lines. Then write the multiplier on the right side of the box because it having only single digit. Okay. Then you start the multiplication. Dear student, first you start the multiplication. Tens place 4 is there. Unit place 3 is there. First you start the multiplication for the tens place. 6 fours are 24. Dear students, 6 fours are 24. Therefore, you write the 2 in the above the box, above within the box, and 4 above below within the box. Dear student, 6 fours are 24 is there. You write 2 on the above portion of the box and 4 below portion of the box. Then you multiply the unit place. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. You write 18. 1 is in the above portion of the box and 8 is in the below portion of the box. Okay. This is the final end of the multiplication. There is no digit remaining for the multiplication. That's why the multiplication is completed. Then what is the next process? Dear students, listen carefully. Then you finally do the addition. Okay, how the addition in this box? Dear students, listen carefully. Within the box, 2 is there, 4 is there, 1 is there, and 8 is there. Okay, you add the numbers within the box only. Dear students, you add the numbers only within the box numbers. Okay, you add the numbers present only within the box. Okay, yes. In this box, in this region, only one number is there. In this portion or in this part of the box, only 8 is present within the box. That's why the 8 is right. Okay, then you come to the next box or next portion. In this region, only 2 numbers are there, 4 and 1. You add these 2 numbers, 4 plus 1, you get 5. You get 5. Then you write the only 2 is there. There is no numbers present in this region. Only 2 is there. That's why you write 2. How is the answer? 258 is the product of John Napier multiplication. That's why this is the process of multiplication of John Napier method. Dear students, therefore 43 into 6 is equal to 258. This is the method of multiplication discovered by one of the mathematician John Napier. First you multiply the numbers, then you add the numbers, you will get final product of the numbers. Okay, did you understand, students? This is the normal method. You got the same answer. By the John Napier method, you also got the same answer. But the methods is different, slightly different for the normal method and also John Napier method. I show one more example, the multiplication of John Napier method. Okay, go to the next example. Example 2. Example 2. Multiply 253 into 2. Dear students, this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. Multiplicand having a 3 digit. 253 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. Multiplicand having a digit and multiplier having a single digit. First you find out the product by normal method. Then you find out the product by John Napier method. Okay? Yes. First you start the multiplication by normal method. First you start the multiplication for unit place. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. You put 0 in the tens place and 1 is carry on the 100 place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 carry 5. So the product is 506, which is got by the normal method of multiplication. Then we find the product by John Napier method. Dear students, first you write the boxes. First you observe how many digits in the multiplication. There are 3 digits in the multiplicand. Therefore, you write the 3 boxes. Okay. Okay students, this is the method of writing the boxes. There are 3 digits in the multiplication. That's why I will write the 3 boxes. The multiplier having only single digit, so 1 row is present. Okay, you write the numbers. 2 in the 100 place, 5 is in the tens place and 3 is in the unit place. Multiply on the right side of the box. Then you start the multiplication. First you start the multiplication from the unit. 2 3s are 6. But 6 is the single digit. You put 0 on the above portion and 6 in the below portion. Okay. Why we are put 0? Because the 6 is the single digit. That's why the above portion will be 0 and below portion will write 6. Then come to the multiplication of the tens place. 2 5s are 10. 1 is in the above portion and 0 is in the below portion. Then we start the multiplication to the 100 place. 2 2s are 4. It is also single digit. That's why you put 0 on the above portion and 4 is in the below portion. Okay, the multiplication was completed. Then you add the numbers. You add the numbers only present within the boxes. Therefore, dear students, the 6 is only present in this region. So you write 6 and 0. There is no number. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, there is no number. 0 is there. That's why. How much is the product? 506 was the product of the numbers. Okay, dear students. Therefore, 253 into 2 is equal to 506. This is the product of these two numbers. Dear students, this is the method of multiplication of John Napier method. It is easy or difficult? It is easy method of multiplication as compared to normal method. In the biggest number you use John Napier method, it is very easy to get the product. Okay. In the next class we discuss about the one more topic, division. Okay. This is also next topic for the 4th standard, division. Next class I start the division concept. This is the end of the class, multiplication. Okay. Dear students, practice more examples by using the method of John Napier method. Okay. Thank you.